Пойдем. Пойдем с кем? Пойдем быстрее, пожалуйста. Пойдем. Стас, пойдем. Стас, пойдем, пожалуйста. Выключи. What's this?
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
I tell my niggas, anything is possible. Impossible is nothing. I mean, look at the dough we getting. I mean, look at these hoes we fucking. I know this shit can get better. Working hard, trying to pull myself together and tell the world that I'm ready for whatever. Finna hit the jackpot, I got my hand on the lever. Going down, gotta let that bitch boom. New condo, 1 floor, 6 rooms. Feeling good, but that shit got a sick view. A nigga on track, I should probably get a kid crew. You don't think I'm on no? Skip you. And you ain't gotta like me, cause your bitch do. Talking shit about me to her, that's a bitch move. But that's another thing a real nigga get through. Gone.
Well, it's a DeLorean.
Bear with me, Marty. All your questions will be answered. Roll tape.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me you built a time machine? Not a DeLorean?
In the future.
I just hope it all ends well. The swag story my friends tell. This train wreck that we inhale got me feeling unstoppable like Denzel. Any make a killing, get war bucks. More gold, more hoes, got more trucks. Throw them DeLorean doors up. Pretty chick watching me hop out. You're a fuck. Man, these wild girls love chill. Like these fake niggas love real, but hate it at the very same time. They say they ain't fucking with it, then they tripping online. Shit, I could be out of my mind, but it's looking real smooth. These niggas pay for pussy, I'm just trying to pay dues. I don't never make excuses, homie, I just make moves, yeah.